Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig in front of the computer. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Peppa. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head, and her smiling mouth, and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body and her arms like this. Don't forget her tail. Under her hands, I draw a keyboard. Then I draw the computer like this. With a mouse and a monitor. On the screen, there are numbers 1, 2, 3. Finally, I draw the table. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Peppa. I use this pink marker for her skin. Then I use light purple for her cheek. I color her dress with this red marker. For the computer, I use this marker. And I color the button with green. For the numbers, I use red, orange, and yellow. I color the table with brown. And finally, I add a little light purple in the background. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.